I'm in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come in.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Asteria here, and they sent me this beautiful curl wig. This wig is so soft and it's thick. I think it's 250 density if I'm not mistaken. This wig did come pre-braided, so the front part of the wig, it came literally just like this. The only thing that I had to do with this wig was to take out the side braids, just because when it was time for me to cut the ear tabs, they weren't like, they were in the way, so I had to like take them out, cut the hair tabs, and then cut the ear tabs and then braid them back. But it was nothing really like it didn't even take 20 minutes to do, to be honest. But that's all I did, and I did my baby hairs, my sideburns, all of that. This wig is so soft, like even before defining the curls were popping, literally. But before I jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So obviously the wig came, and just to confirm the details of the wig, it is a 13 by 4 24 inches curly wig. I got medium size, and it is 250 density thick. Guys, look, just look at this wig. It's literally 250 density, like very thick. I see right here, honestly though, when it comes on to curly wigs and the thickness of their wigs, they always come in clutch. When they tell you they're giving you 250 density, you're getting 250 density always. But yeah, they also sent me some stocking cap, which I used, and it's also the HD stocking cap, which is very thin, so it makes your wig like mwah, magnificently. I love it. They also sent me some baby hair combs. They sent me some lashes, and they also sent me the headband, which I use. I just don't know where it is right now, but they did send me some headband, and obviously the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. But that is it for the specs of the wig and also what they sent to me inside the package. If you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be innocent, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to me, a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will bring up in front of me. All the while, I wait my favorite. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my lips.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says go, baby. At last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Asteria here for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful wig. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check that down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.